Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Red color, violet color, brown color, purple color, sky blue color, dark blue color, orange color, dark green color, light green color, black color, yellow color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for ant. B for bird. C for cat. D for door. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gun. H for hot. I for ice. J for jelly. K for kids. L for lychee. M for mouse. N for nose. O for olive. P for pencil. Q for quilt. R for ring. S for star. T for teacher. U for university. V for vulture. W for wax. X for Xerox. Y for yum. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.